To understand where this speculation comes from, we must first travel back in time to November 2017. The Zimbabwean military staged an unexpected coup d'etat against President Robert Mugabe, who had been in power for 37 years. The world watched in awe as the military took control, leading to the rise of Emmerson Mnangagwa. Scene script. Fast forward to the present, May 2024. Rumors are rife that the military, a significant power player in Zimbabwean politics, might be planning another coup. But why, you may ask? It all comes down to dissatisfaction with Mnangagwa's leadership and the country's worsening economic crisis. Some argue that the military's influence in politics has grown since the 2017 coup, making them more likely to intervene if they see the country's leadership as ineffective. Others believe that the economic crisis, marked by hyperinflation and unemployment, could push the military to take drastic action. However, remember that staging a coup is no easy task. It requires significant planning, resources, and most importantly, popular support. The military would also have to consider the international ramifications, as the 2017 coup drew criticism from the African Union and other international bodies. In summary, while there are rumors of a possible coup against President Mnangagwa, it remains speculative. The military's increased influence in politics and the country's economic crisis are significant factors, but a coup is a complex, risky undertaking. Only time will tell if history will repeat itself in Zimbabwe. Until then, watch the political landscape with a keen eye, for it is as unpredictable as it is fascinating.